In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale on Bluebeam Cloud. Now first, you want to go inside your Bluebeam Cloud and then go to Documents and open up your document which you want to scale. So I'm going to open this one over here. And then to do this, you have to go to the bottom here where you can see a bunch of different buttons. And then on the one on the very right here, it says Edit Scale, and this is how you can scale. So just click on it, and whenever you do that, you can basically put in your value, unit type, and then of course the value again, and then the unit type again. And then when you do that, of course, you could also change it over here. So for example, 1 centimeter to 1 meter. And of course, these are kind of some presets you can use. And then you have the precision. So you can go and set the precision as well. And then you can apply it to any of the pages available right now. I only have one. So of course, I can only apply it to this page. Then click on Edit Scale. The scale is going to get edited. And if I go ahead and zoom in a bit over here, and if I, for example, go and click on here to actually do a measurement, if I go and drag it on here, you'll be able to see that that specific scale has actually been applied to my drawing. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.